Welcome to back my channel. Dramatic shots of the Ferrari electric supercar, showcasing its sleek design and futuristic elements. Welcome to your channel name. Today, we're diving into the future of automotive engineering, the Ferrari electric supercar. This groundbreaking vehicle combines the legendary performance of Ferrari with the cutting-edge technology of electric power. Shots of the car's interior, exterior, and under the hood. Voiceover. Let's start with the basics. This electric hypercar boasts a battery capacity battery pack, delivering an impressive range. Its powerful electric motors generate a staggering power, horsepower and torque, pound-feet of torque. This translates to mind-bending acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour time in mere seconds. Clips of the car racing on a track or in a high-speed setting. Voiceover. Ferrari has managed to retain the iconic roar of its internal combustion engines through a carefully engineered sound system that mimics the sound of a traditional Ferrari. The handling is equally impressive, thanks to advanced suspension technology and a low center of gravity. This car is designed to deliver a thrilling driving experience that's both exhilarating and refined. Close-up shots of the car's design details, such as the headlights, grille, and wheels. Voiceover. The Ferrari electric supercar is a masterpiece of automotive design. Its sleek, aerodynamic body is a testament to Ferrari's commitment to both form and function. The iconic Ferrari badge is prominently displayed, reminding us of the rich heritage behind this groundbreaking vehicle. Inside, the cabin is a blend of luxury and technology, with premium materials and intuitive controls. Shots of the car's advanced features, such as autonomous driving capabilities or innovative charging technology. Voiceover. What sets the Ferrari electric supercar apart is its ability to seamlessly blend tradition with innovation. It's a car that appeals to both automotive enthusiasts and those looking for a sustainable and high-performance vehicle. Whether you're a fan of Ferrari's legendary heritage or simply appreciate cutting-edge technology, this electric supercar is sure to impress. A final shot of the car, capturing its overall aesthetic. Voiceover. The Ferrari electric supercar is more than just a car, it's a statement of intent. It represents the future of automotive performance, combining power, luxury, and sustainability. If you're looking for a vehicle that's both groundbreaking and iconic, this is it. Voiceover. To learn more about the Ferrari electric supercar or to schedule a test drive, visit website link or your local Ferrari dealership.